Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add Convertkit pop-up form to Shopify. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So just simply follow along. This is a step-by-step guide. So first, just simply create a form in Convertkit. So just simply go to your Convertkit account and log in into it. And after that, just simply go to the Grow tab and select landing pages and forms, and after that just simply click on plus create a new, and from there just simply select a form. You should be able to see there multiple templates, and just simply choose a modal for the form style, and after that just simply click on plus create a new, and from there just simply select form and choose a model for the form style, and from there you will have multiple options of templates. So just simply select the template that you prefer, and from there of course just simply customize the text, the colors and images based on your brand or based on your preferences, and from there also configure the display settings based on what you prefer, and customize the confirmation email as well. And once you are done, just simply click on publish, and from there just simply go ahead and copy the embed code. Now once you have copied the embed code and once you have created a form, just simply go to your Shopify and go to your online store, and from there guys just simply click on themes, click on actions, and click on edit code, and from there just simply scroll to the bottom of the theme liquid, and after that just simply paste the embed code above the body tag over here, and from there just simply save theme liquid and exit once you are done, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.